Hello, partners. My name is Ronald Gutierrez. I am a student of industrial engineering and I'm from Madrid, Cundinamarca. Travel experience, yes, a travel experience. I like it. Last trip I made it with my family on these trips. Sometimes they accompany me, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my mother, my wife, and my three children. Went to Melgar, Tolima, and we were at the Cafán Melgar Vacation Center. It's a very good place, really. It has several swimming pools. One has waves, has a zoo, and bowling. We had a lot of fun. We never left the site. It was not necessary. It is a place to recommend. Goodbye.